How you doing? Jim King back out here in Kansas City. This is our big Kansas City project here. What we done here, these walls, stone walls, were all bowed out and it caused the brick to lean off. The brick was leaning off when I looked at the job originally. We straightened all the walls, peered underneath the bottom row of stone, 9 King Pier 1s. And as we started lifting and maneuvering and shifting the stone, some of the brick just collapsed. And so what we have here, I'm great at lifting things and making things level, stone foundation renovations, piering. But this right here, this brick job here is I don't have anybody that can do it that's good. So I got a new friend here. His name's Jeremy. Jeremy's with JB Masonry. Jeremy, what's your phone number?
816-969-0527.
Jeremy does beautiful work or he wouldn't be working for me. I never subcontract anything out, but I vetted Jeremy pretty good, checked his references, and he's gonna do a beautiful job. Stay tuned on this project. King Piers out here in Kansas City, 816-288-4373. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Check us out on Facebook, YouTube. Last but not least, give us a thumbs up and a subscribe. Thank you.